Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to download Temu application on iPhone. So the very first thing that you have to do is unlock your iPhone and then open the App Store by tapping on the blue App Store icon on your home screen, just like this one. And then from here, just tap on the search tab and at the bottom right, and then type in Temu in the search bar. So find the official Temu application, which is an orange icon in the search results, and then make sure that it's by Temu. So from here, you can tap on the get button or this one with the arrow next to the Temu app and then confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or any Apple ID password. Lastly is once downloaded, tap on open to launch the Temu application. And then from here, you can now create your account or you can also sign in to start shopping. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!